Production of Pavlovo-Possadsky scarves and shawls. The Pavlovo-Possadsky Manufacturing Company has been making scarves and shawls since 1795. The process begins with the artist brush. Every individual product has a unique artist drawing, created in the rich and traditional ways of the company. The school of unique Pavlo-Possadsky shawl drawing has existed for more than 150 years. The artist works hard for 2 months thinking of the image composition and color scheme of the drawing, and then uses special paint to create an image of the future scarf. This image, or a crock as it is referred to, can be 1/4 of the final product or a full size, depending on the particular design. The fabric to which the shawl image is to be transferred is first woven as part of the manufacturing process. Pure white yarn from the wool of merino sheep is tied in a specific way using reels installed on a weaving machine. The yarn then undergoes a dressing process in order to make it more durable and reduce the possibility of breakage during weaving. Once the dressing process is complete, the yarn is placed on a weaving loom, the width is which match the future scarf. The woven fabric then goes through the washing and whitening stage in order to better accept the all-important coloring process. The coloring is complicated and requires a good deal of skill because textile inks have a different texture and color palette from the paints used to create the original design. It is the artistic job of the colorist to carefully match the inks one by one with the paints from the original design before they can be applied to the prepared fabric. After several trials using specialized laboratory equipment, an individual template is produced for each of the colors to be used in the printing process. Each design will use from 12 to 25 templates. The fabric, representing several scarves, is then rolled out and secured to the long printing table in order that each color template can be applied in turn using the special designed ink roller. When the first color has been applied to the first scarf, the roller lifts and moves on to the next until it has been applied to every scarf. The template is then washed and new template using the second color is used. When all 12-25 templates have been applied to every scarf, the printing process is complete, and the scarves are lifted and hung to dry. After the drying process, the colors are fixed by applying steam up to 100 degrees, which improves the quality and brightness the ink of the finished scarves. Because wool is a sensitive fabric which can be distorted during the steaming process, it is necessary to stretch and resize the scarves to the correct dimensions. Finally, the printed products are sent to the finishing department to have borders and fringes added by hand as required. The seamstresses are very skilled and can take up to 2.5 hours to complete each individual fringe. After careful quality checks, the beautiful completed products are sent to the warehouse to distribution throughout Russia and the world. With a choice of over 1,500 unique copyright designs by accredited artists, every woman will find a shawl or a scarf suited to her individual taste. Wear the flowers of Russia on your shoulders.